Deep in the Amazon, a whisper travels on the wind. The monkeys fall silent. A tremor shakes the leaves. It is not an earthquake, it is the approach of a creature from a forgotten time, the Titanoboa. Imagine this prehistoric giant, a snake of unimaginable size, gliding through the undergrowth of our modern world. Its scales gleam like polished jade, its eyes, cold and ancient, miss nothing. This is not a creature of myth. It is a glimpse into a past when giants ruled the earth. The very idea of the Titanoboa still existing sends shivers down our spines. It challenges our understanding of the world and our place in it. Could such a creature truly adapt to our modern age? The answer, like the jungle itself, is shrouded in mystery. 60 million years ago, in the steaming jungles of the Paleocene epoch, the Titanoboa was king. This wasn't just any snake, it was a monster, stretching over 40 feet long and weighing more than a car. Its girth was astounding, easily surpassing the width of a human torso. This colossal serpent was an apex predator, the undisputed ruler of its domain. The Titanoboa's hunting strategy was simple but brutal. It lay in wait, camouflaged amongst the foliage, its powerful muscles coiled like a spring. When its prey, often large prehistoric crocodiles and turtles, came within striking distance, the Titanoboa would unleash a lightning-fast attack. Its powerful jaws, lined with rows of sharp teeth, would clamp down with bone-crushing force. Imagine the Amazon rainforest, a tapestry of life already teeming with diverse creatures. Now, picture the Titanoboa slithering through this ecosystem. How would its presence reshape this delicate balance? The answer is both fascinating and terrifying. The Titanoboa would undoubtedly become the apex predator, its massive size and strength dwarfing even the largest anacondas. Its presence would send shockwaves through the food chain. Prey animals would need to adapt or face extinction. The caiman, the jaguar, even the mighty black caiman would all become potential meals for this colossal serpent. The reintroduction of the Titanoboa wouldn't be a simple case of adding a new predator to the mix. It would trigger a cascade of changes throughout the entire ecosystem. Some species might thrive under the new order, while others could be pushed to the brink. For instance, with the Titanoboa keeping populations of large predators in check, smaller predators might experience a population boom. However, this could lead to overgrazing of certain plant species, creating a ripple effect throughout the entire ecosystem. The presence of such a large predator could also impact the distribution and behavior of prey animals, potentially leading to changes in plant life and even the physical landscape. Section 5. Living with a Titan, Human Adaptation and Challenges. The return of the Titanoboa would necessitate a dramatic shift in human behavior and urban development. No longer would we casually venture into rainforests. Protective barriers would become essential, and new protocols for travel and exploration would need to be established. Imagine the challenges of constructing roads, bridges, or settlements in Titanoboa territory. The logistics of resource extraction would be redefined. Even simple tasks like fishing or farming would require constant vigilance. The presence of the Titanoboa would demand respect and caution, forever altering our relationship with the natural world. Section 6. Scientific goldmine research opportunities. Despite the challenges, the opportunity to study a living Titanoboa would be a scientific goldmine. Imagine the discoveries awaiting us. Insights into prehistoric ecosystems, evolutionary biology, and the physiology of giant reptiles. We could study its hunting techniques, its reproductive behavior, and its role in the ecosystem. We could learn how it moves, how it senses its prey, and how it survives in such a challenging environment. The knowledge gained would be invaluable, not just for understanding the past, but also for addressing present-day challenges like climate change and conservation. Section 7. A question of climate. Could Titanoboa survive today? The Titanoboa thrived in the hot, humid climate of the Paleocene, but could it survive in today's world with its changing climate and fragmented habitats? It's a question with no easy answer. On the one hand, the Titanoboa's size would make it vulnerable to habitat loss and fragmentation. On the other hand, its adaptability and resilience, honed over millions of years of evolution, should not be underestimated. The answer likely lies somewhere in between. While certain regions might prove suitable, the Titanoboa's survival would depend heavily on our own conservation efforts. Section 8. The Titanoboa in our midst, pop culture and beyond. The return of the Titanoboa wouldn't just impact the scientific community. It would capture the imagination of the world. Imagine the movies, the documentaries, the sheer awe it would inspire. This colossal serpent would become a modern-day mythical creature, a symbol of the power and mystery of the natural world. It would serve as a stark reminder of the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the importance of preserving it for future generations. The question remains, is it better to imagine the Titanoboa roaming free, or should some creatures remain safely in the past? Gap 2S, Section 9. Titanoboa's hunting techniques. Imagine the Titanoboa lurking in the dense prehistoric jungles, its massive form blending seamlessly with the surroundings. This apex predator wasn't just a sight to behold, it was a master of stealth and precision. Titanoboa relied on ambush strategies, lying in wait for unsuspecting prey to wander too close. With lightning speed, the Titanoboa would strike, coiling its enormous body around the prey, squeezing with such force that escape was impossible. Its powerful muscles would crush bones and suffocate its victim in mere moments. This serpent's sheer size and strength made it an efficient and terrifying hunter. Its hunting techniques, honed over millennia, would make it a formidable force in any ecosystem. The Titanoboa's prowess is a testament to the power and ingenuity of nature. Gap 2S, Section 10, the physical majesty of Titanoboa. Imagine standing in the shadow of a creature so immense it defies belief. Titanoboa, the colossal serpent of the prehistoric world, was a true giant among reptiles, reaching lengths of up to 42 feet and weighing over 2,500 pounds. This snake was a living embodiment of nature's raw power and grandeur. Its body, covered in thick, overlapping scales, was a marvel of evolutionary design. These scales provided both camouflage and defense, blending seamlessly into its tropical habitat. Titanoboa's head housed powerful jaws capable of delivering a crushing bite. Its sharp, recurved teeth were perfect for gripping prey. Its muscle power could generate immense constriction force, making escape impossible for its victims. Titanoboa's physical majesty stands as a symbol of nature's boundless creativity and the awe-inspiring power of evolution. Gap 2S, Section 11, theories behind Titanoboa's extinction. What led to the extinction of such a formidable creature? The answer lies in environmental changes and biological competition. Gap 3S. One theory is climate change. During the Paleocene epoch, Earth cooled. Titanoboa relied on warmer temperatures. As the climate cooled, tropical environments shrank. Gap 3S. Competition with other species also played a role. New predators emerged, vying for the same resources. Crocodilians diversified, possibly outcompeting Titanoboa. Gap 3S. Evolving prey became more elusive. Dwindling prey and rising competition pressured Titanoboa's survival. Gap 3S. Disease and environmental stresses may have contributed. Habitat decline introduced new pathogens, disrupting the ecosystem. Gap 3S. These theories offer glimpses into the challenges Titanoboa faced. Climate change, competition, and environmental stress shaped its fate. Gap 3S. The extinction of Titanoboa reminds us of the fragile nature of life. It's a powerful lesson in adaptation and resilience. It urges us to look at our own world and the challenges we face. Gap 3S. The extinction of Titanoboa is a reminder of the intricate web of life. It fuels our quest to understand the mysteries of the ancient world. Subscribe to Hidden Wonder channel for more videos.